Kinetic Carl here. One more thing I wanted to show you about my N-Gage layout is just a kind of a walk around. Here's the main power supply with its little handheld controller and a long length of wire allowing me to walk around the layout and control. Then of course this is a dashboard. These are all track power, and then this upper row is actually track switches for switching. This controls the turntable. It's a powered turntable. And it also, the B side of it is doing the lighting for the houses. Here, I'll turn that on. I don't know if you can see, but there's lights on in some of the buildings. And some of these LED lights used to work. I'm not sure what happened there. Anyhow, give you a walk around. These are some of the yards where the locos can park, all strung out with their cars. Just give you it's a complete 360 tabletop, so you can look at it from all different directions. There's a little train station up here with a corral, and then the lumber mill, and the earthquake. Oh, haha. The earthquake took out, I didn't even notice that. It took out the crane car that resides up here. I'm not going to be able to successfully rail that up one-handedly, am I? Yeah. There, it's going to have to do for now till the next earthquake. Of course, there's the Dinosaur Canyon. Whole mess of tunnels all, I don't know if you can see, but there's one down there, one there, one there, and then a neat little short bridge. Then we've got a whole slew of trestle work with through tracks. Of course, a little town or a farm, a coal mine, with its massive trestle coming up. That's the big Mallee that was pulling the track cleaning caboose. Here's the coal mine, and of course the big trestle leading to the coal mine. And then yet another train station. And zooming out, oh, here you go. A look at all the engines. Two of the engines, they're out in a double header. The Mikado engines go here and here. There's a solid brass Shay. That's actually, that brass one is HO in N-Gage. So it's a narrow gauge. There's an actual N-Gage Shay. You'll see the ones outsizing the other. And then of course there's another HON 3 European engine. Those run on the track, but technically they're HO scale. And there's my quick little tour of my N-Gage layout on a 6 foot by 3 foot tabletop.